Hi, Tita Carmen. Tirek here. Wishing you a happy 85th birthday. And ang wish ko sa'yo, happy and healthy life. And thank you sa mga tinulong mo sa aming magkakapatid nung kami lumalaki. Sa mga suporta mo nung nagkakasakit ako sa pag-alalay mo kay Mama. Again, happy 85th birthday. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tita Carmen. I wish you good health always. Enjoy your special day today kasama ng mga anak at apo mo. Happy birthday!
Hi, ate. Pasensya ka na, hindi ka makakapunta sa birthday mo. Ang layo kasi wala akong pamasahe. Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Inabot mo ang 85. Ako, 75. 10 years. Sana maranasan ko rin ang 85 na magbe-birthday ako dyan sa Manila. Ano pa ba? Magpalakas ka para magkita-kita tayo uli at magse-celebrate ulit tayo ng birthday natin. Sana dagdagan pa ng Diyos ang buhay mo hanggang 100, makuha mo yung 100,000 balato Kamusta man lang ako sa mga bata. Ayoko na magsalita.
I love you.
Ate, alam mo naman yan. Mahal na mahal kita. Bali, ikaw na lang ang nagmamahal sa akin. Okay. Bye. Happy birthday ulit. Nana,
I love you.
I love you, ate. Bye-bye. Okay. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Nanay, we love you. Yes. My family. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Nanay! We wish you a very, very happy birthday. We always pray for your good health and many more birthdays to come. We love you and we miss you. I hope you enjoy your day today.
Hello, Nanay!
This is Joyan Matpo greeting you from America. Happy 85th birthday to you, Nanay.
Maligayang ikawalang putlimang kaarawan po sa'yo.
Yes, sana po nag-enjoy kayo ngayon. Magkakasama kayo to celebrate. And we miss you so much. We love you. Hopefully po you stay healthy and stay active because we still want to, spend time with you in the
Sige ba, yan.
future because we also have a big announcement to make that
We're having a baby.
we're having a baby! Magiging lola, magkakaroon ka na po ulit ng, ano ba yun? Apo sa tuhod, sabi nila. But yes, we're so happy and so excited.
Yeah, we're excited to come see you guys soon once we have our baby. And if you want to tell them.
Yes, and alam po namin na you're trying to guess what gender it is. And we already know what the gender is. So, the reveal is that
It's a
gonna be
girl.
a girl! Yay! More Sabina, more Capri, more Abis in the family. So, hopefully you guys are having fun. Enjoy. We love you. We miss you.
Can't wait to see you guys.
Bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Nanay.